When you're in a Fusion assembly, you can copy, you can paste, you can even paste new, or you can save copy as. They all sound the same, but they're not. Adding a fillet to this part, it changes. This one changed as well, and this one didn't. Or I do a save copy as, and I have to go find that in the data panel now. Here's what's hard to understand. Fusion isn't always duplicating geometry, it's managing the references. So the copy paste new, and save as all are doing slightly different things. When you look at two components in the browser, you can see arm:1, arm:2. This is stating that the arm design is the first instance. This is showing that there's a design file called ARM, and this is the first one. There's also another one, and this is the second instance. Same exact design. So if you were to add a fillet, a hole, whatever to this design, this is ARM instance 1. When I add the chamfer to this face, hit enter, I would expect ARM instance 1 to be impacted and 2 because it's the same design file that I'm editing. And so it's adding the chamfer to both. So how do you make this happen? Go to the design file you want to copy and have another instance of. Right click, copy. Now, right click here in space, choose paste. It's going to ask you, would you like to capture the current position or go back to the last saved position of your assembly? So now we're able to insert a copy of this exact same component. This is now considered the third instance. The second one was deleted, but these are the same design file. So if I delete this hole, they both update and are missing the hole. This is great for screws, brackets, repeated modular parts. Anytime you want to have multiple instances of the same thing that when you make changes to the master, they all update. Now for a subtle difference here, if we right click and choose copy, now go over, right click and choose paste new. Although they seem very similar to me, Fusion sees them differently. This is copying the original geometry of the copied instance, letting you put it into the design file, but going forward, they diverge. They will never be referenced or linked in any way going forward. The name is even different. It's ARM parentheses 2. That's a different file name than ARM. And this is the first instance of this ARM parentheses 2. Let's test it. If I delete this hole, will it impact the original? It does not. If we delete this hole from the original, does it impact the new one? Same thing, it does not. They do not speak to each other in any way. They do not reference each other going forward. This is great for variations of a part, left-right versions when you don't want them to link to each other, slight modifications to a bracket, or like a new concept or an alternative version. Take this a step further and we can do a save copy as. If you were to right-click on a component and choose save copy as, it asks you where you'd like to put this new file. It's not inserting it into the assembly. Instead, it's put it into your data panel. Open that file. What you will get is all of the geometry and timeline of that component. This is a standalone file. In no way is this linked to the file we were just working on. And just to verify, if I were to make this a little taller, go back to the brand new save copy, it's a completely independent file that you can now use for some alternative designs. Hey, I've got a great assemblies cheat sheet over in my resource library, along with a lot of great other resources. And I'm doing giveaways for my design community, like 3D printers. Go join that community. It's free. I'll see you there. Link in the description.